Namaste, myself Dr. K.K. Chaudhary, Faculty of Education and Methodology, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women University, Jaipur. Teaching subject Animal Physiology and Endocrinology, Zoology Lab. And today we will discuss about the preparation and examination of peripheral blood smear. The preparation and examination of the peripheral blood smear is one of the most frequently requested tests in the hematology laboratory. Blood smear must be prepared correctly and examined in such a way as to provide the physician with an accurate interpretation. There are 4 methods used to prepare blood smear: slide to slide, second, cover slip to slide, third, cover slip to cover slip, fourth, automated spinner. Blood smear are prepared with EDTA anticoagulant blood to minimize degenerative changes in the blood cells. To ensure good preservation of cellular morphology, differential smear should be made as soon as possible and no later than 3 hours after collection. Slide to slide procedure. Place a drop of blood from the finger about 2 mm in diameter in the central line of a slide about 1 to 2 cm from one end. The spreader is placed at an angle of 40 degrees to the slide and then moved back to make contact with the drop. The drop should spread out quickly along the line of contact of the spreader with the slide. The moment this occurred, the film should be sprayed by a rapid, smooth forward movement of a spreader. The drop should be of such size that the film is 3 to 4 cm in length. The film should be dried rapidly. A good blood film preparation will be thick at the drop end and thin film at the opposite end. The thickness of the spread when pulling the smear is determined by the angle of spreader slide, size of the blood group and speed of spreading. While the thin smear are used for describing blood cells, the thick smear are used for detecting malarial parasites. There are 3 stains that are used in differential leukocyte count. These are the Ritz stain, Leishman stain and Giemsa stain. The composition of Giemsa stain: Giemsa powder 0.3 gram, glycerin 25 ml, methyl alcohol 25 ml. This makes stock solution and before use it has to be diluted by adding 1 ml stain to 9 ml of buffered water. Method of staining: the blood film is fixed with methyl alcohol for 2 minutes. Pure Giemsa stain diluted 1:9 with buffer over the smear for 8 to 10 minutes. Wash off with buffer and dry. The count: the dry and stained film examined without a cover slip under oil immersion objective. For differential leukocyte count, choose an area where the morphology of the cell is clearly visible. Do differential count by moving the slide in area including the central and peripheral and the smear. A total of 200 cells should be counted, in which every white cell seen must be recorded in a table under the following heading: neutrophils, eosinophils, basophils, lymphocyte, monocyte, and then find the percentage of each type. So you have to count by this procedure. The neutrophils is a cell with acidophilic cytoplasm and fine pinkish red granule. Nucleus is lobulated, 3 to 5 lobes connected by thin chromatin filaments. It forms the 65 to 70% from the blood, number 3000 to 6000 per cubic meter. Eosinophils, acidophilic cells, usually larger than the neutrophils. It is cytoplasm contain bright red granules or orange. The nucleus consists usually two lobes, percentage 2 to 4% from blood, number 150 to 300 per cubic meter. Basophils, it is a small cell granules are black or blue in color and or cover most of cell, even the nucleus, S-shaped. Percentage 0 to 1% from blood, number 0 to 100 per cubic meter. Lymphocyte, it is also small cell, nucleus cover most of the cell and it is round dark violet in color. The cytoplasm is usually blue in color with no granules. Percentage 32 to 40% from blood, number 1500 to 4000 per cubic meter. Lymphocyte divided into two types, T cells and the B cell. T cell cytotoxic, B cell production of the antibodies. This is all about the blood smear preparation and differential leukocyte count. Hope you understand the practical. If you have any query, please mention in the comment box. I will resolve it. This session is powered by digital version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women University, Jaipur. Thank you. Thank you.